If you and your doctor decide that total knee replacement would be advantageous, you should completely understand the risks and benefits associated with the procedure. An artificial knee joint replaces your natural knee joint with one made of metal and plastic. The goal is to relieve pain and improve motion and function. Artificial joints can be very successful in achieving these goals. The question patients most frequently ask is, how long will the replacement last? The duration of an implant varies, depending on your age, activity level, and many other factors. The more demand that is placed on the artificial joint, the greater the potential for wear and failure over time. With your new knee joint replacement, it is okay to walk, bike, golf, and even play doubles tennis. Ultimately, someone who chooses to undergo knee joint replacement will have to accept some limits in physical activity. It is important to talk to your surgeon about your desires and anticipated demands before considering this procedure.